Hey everybody, it's us again. We are heading out to Topeka today, and hopefully the weather cooperates with us. We won't get rained on. It's supposed to be
damp.
It's supposed to be nice all day today, so come on with us and let's explore some of the capital. So we're walking the Cedar Crest Yellow and Red Trail, which is located in the city limits of Topeka.
Topeka, it's our capital.
We are out walking again with our protective gear on.
Thank you to my friend Mariana for making mine for me.
So this trail is a little busier than what we've been on the last few times. There are a lot of people out here. I mean, Topeka's a city, so obviously we'll have more contact with people, but hopefully we'll have this all to ourselves.
Hope so.
So we got Lexi some new shoes because hers got ruined on our last hike when we got rained on.
They're pretty messy.
So this trail is very muddy.
It's squelchy.
It's very muddy. Glad you got those shoes on, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. I feel like, woo! Lost it there in the middle. Okay, we're good.
The trail's really nice, but it is very, very muddy. Where are we at?
We're at a rivulet. It's a rivulet.
Come on, folks. Really? And I don't have to jump over it because we had that wonderful bridge.
How courteous.
Yeah. So who needs to jump?
Not us.
This one. Doesn't mean we don't have to jump. Like,
Could have if we wanted to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Totally could have cleared that one.
Yeah.
So I guess it's pretty safe to say that if you see one or both of us with a mask on, that people were nearby. Yes, we are on the red and yellow trail. However, I'm following a lot of blue dots. So is it red and yellow or is it blue? Who knows? We did see a map though. They got maps here.
Didn't look at the map because
I at least have an idea of where the car is.
I don't. I'm horrendously lost and have no sense of direction.
She actually means that. She's not being
Nope.
extra.
Nope. Not even a little bit.
Nope. But we keep getting these blue marks on the trees.
What do they mean? We don't know.
It means we're on the blue trail. Oh no.
Oh no.
What are we gonna do?
I bet we can jump it.
Oh, we could so jump it. We're jumping it. Lexi doesn't want to jump it.
I don't want to jump it. I will fall in. I will get wet and I will be grumpy the whole rest of the day.
But I'll jump this one. Totally jumping it. With the backpack on.
Yay!
Come on over.
Okay, yeah, sure, let's go. I also totally jumped it. Totally leapt across the whole... I didn't. I walked across the tree branches. He jumped it.
Even with a foot in the brook.
Little evil Knievel.
Well, Topeka, you've got some really pretty trails. This is nice. We're actually taking the low road this time. There is a high road, but according to the red and yellow trail, we're supposed to take the low road.
It's really cool that, like, I don't feel like I'm in the city limits of Topeka right now. Like, we're in the middle of Topeka. just some log stuff. Some moss. There was some good moss on that. Little lichens. It's fun. I just wanted to walk on it. It was cute.
We are coming up to people. Red trail. What are you doing? You have a
that?
map. There were 2 ways to go, and they were both red.
They're both red.
Ooh, there's a lot of hills and stuff. This is definitely a mountain bike trail. This will be a lot of fun on a bike. Check it out. So those people that we just passed did not look very friendly. We had our masks on, and I guess mine looks a little more intimidating. But I mean, it's a pandemic, people.
There have been people out jogging on this trail, and it's like, one, if you're running, you need to double the distance because you're expelling breath harder. 2, bro, put a mask on. Like, come on. Think of the people around you.
We also did come up upon a few other people, and they just straight up turned around. The sun is out! Huzzah!
Yay.
We have found out that, well, at least I have found out, Lexi has a fungus thing.
That phrasing? Because that sounded a lot weirder, mayhaps than intended. I like moss
mushrooms.
and mushrooms and stuff. I think they're visually very cool.
All right, so maybe not like a fungus thing, but you like fungus.
I do.
You don't have fungus,
Thank you.
but she likes it.
I do.
So there's that. So,
Yay, random tidbit of knowledge. Lexi likes fungus.
This one's a good one. I'm sweating. Also, haven't taken off my coat yet.
A lot of up and down and
Yeah,
the other directions.
a lot of switchbacks.
But it's nice and shady.
We've run into a fair amount of people on this one.
Yeah.
Although, I am really shocked that none of them have masks or any of that stuff.
I mean, when we come across people, everybody scoots over. We haven't had anybody who's been like belligerently
This
walk
trail is
right
mine.
next to you. Yeah. Had a couple like bikers that couldn't move, so we moved off the trail and it was fine. Masks, people.
I know.
The CDC.
And like of those bikers, like only 2 of them had like helmets that had front protection. The other 2 had like nothing. Weird. I mean, the coronavirus is in Kansas, folks.
Yeah.
We're still climbing, going up and down these hills and trails and whatnot in the glorious sunshine. And it is really warm.
It is warm.
So we have now strayed from the path.
Again.
We're still on a path. But,
It's not the
I mean, we're still heading in the general direction of the car. We're back to where we're supposed to be.
sort of.
I mean, that's where we're supposed to be. Ish. Heading back to the car, not away from the car. Oh, look. Another fork. Which way do you want to go?
Let's go that way.
All right, we'll go that way.
That's an uphill way.
So one of the drawbacks of taking the downhill trail is
The mud.
lots of mud.
So much mud.
Topeka must have got a lot of rain in the last few days because some of these parts of this trail are super muddy.
Yeah, and not just like, just kind of mud. Ooh, it's that kind of mud. The mud where you just suddenly lose your balance. And I don't like it.
But aren't you glad you got those shoes?
I'm so glad I got these
Woo,
shoes.
look at those shoes.
On. Oh,
Walk.
honey, I think I can jump across this way.
You think you can jump? You can do it.
Yay!
You did it.
I did it!
She did it. Yay. I knew you could do it. All along.
Thank you. Thank you. Internet, please shower me with praise. I deserve it.
She deserves at least a like for that.
Least.
1 like, 1 thumbs up. Just 1. So on our last hike, we saw 5 turtles. How many we see this time?
6.
It is a 6 turtle day.
6 turtle day. my gosh. Hell yeah, dark, scary trail.
Treacherous trail!
Yeah!
So our treacherous trail has brought us to this wide open field.
By a pond.
By a pond. Let's say it's a bluff. It's not a bluff.
It's not a bluff at all.
Bluff right either.
That's a bluff.
I'm bluffing. Hey! We need help, folks. Send help.
Send help.
It would appear that our travels have brought us to a communal path.
A little tree-lined path. It's cute.
Yeah, it is cute.
It's windy.
A lot of wind.
A lot of wind.
We are making our way
Downtown. Ha! Got it. Oh.
All right, halt.
Lunchtime is over. Boom, did it. Had it both ways. No regrets.
Anyway, we're back in civilization, heading towards the car. But I think we're gonna go down to the river first. We're down here by the river, the beautiful Kansas River, to close it out. Well, thanks Topeka. It was wonderful walking around all your trails.
I think this one is my favorite one.
Yeah, for sure. There was a lot to do, lots of different trails, hills, things to look at in the woods, open fields.
Fungus.
Yep, lots of fungus. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe.
Ding the bell.
And we'll see you in the next one.